Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep here from Arm Wrestling News and I've got short updates on a couple of very interesting topics today. Number 1. Matt Mask vs Hermes Gasparini. This match may be happening in Dubai on May 29th. Along with Devon vs Michael match, it will be an undercard to that match. Man, are people watching my videos or what? Well, I don't think they're watching, but certainly my arm wrestling imagination is going in the right direction. About a month ago, I told Devon and Michael that we should forget about Levan versus Michael match because it won't happen and focus on the things that we can work out. That is Michael versus Devon pay-per-view May this year in Dubai. And that is exactly what's happening. And then I made a video that Hermes versus Matt should be happening as an undercard to that match. And well, there it is. There's a very good chance that this match is also happening there. WL shared this Hermes vs Matt Mask photo on the Total Arm Wrestling show. Jeff Frank gave us some inside information and he almost confirmed that this match is going to happen in Dubai. I've asked Hermes personally and he said it's not confirmed yet. Where can we watch these matches? This info has not been revealed yet, but if you look at this poster, it says in association with WL live on pay-per-view, which means if you want to watch that live, you'd have to pay for that via Core Sports. If you search Core Sport on Google, Core Sports World is the home of exclusive sport content in UAE. Sign up or subscribe now and start streaming. Its monthly pass is only $2. I really doubt if that would be the cost to watch this PPV. I'm sure the prices will be revealed within a month. Hermes Gasparini has been on Larry Wheels' channel. Larry's audience know him very well. They know him as the guy who always keeps laughing. Him and Matt Mask would really boost the sales of this pay-per-view. Another advice for you, Larry. Schoolboy vs Larry Wheels 2.0 on the same card in Dubai, May 29th. Make it happen, Larry. European Arm Wrestling Federation has postponed this year's European Arm Wrestling Championships due to COVID restrictions in Lithuania. This is the reason why more and more arm wrestlers are shifting towards the YouTube side of arm wrestling, and they're trying to find local sponsors, calling out each other and trying to make the matches happen on their own. Alright, the other news that I have for you today is on Larry Wheels.
The request was that he would come on our show and do an interview as long as I gave him a contract to pull in the TAL, which we've been negotiating back and forth. He's a big dollar guy. I got to figure out how to make it all work. So I'm hoping to have some sort of a contract that I can offer him and with having other people pay for it. And we'll have him on our show and we'll have him pull in a TAL event.
Larry is willing to sign a contract with Jeff Frank for the Total Arm Wrestling League. And next up, we might see Larry on his first arm wrestling podcast with Ryan SP and Jeff Frank. On the TL show on Ryan SP's channel, Jeff Frank said that when he asked Larry to join as a guest for TL show number 50, Larry said he would join if Jeff provides him a lucrative contract to pull in the TAL. And now Jeff Frank is looking for sponsors who are willing to pay to watch Larry Wheels in a tournament and super matches. Everyone has been advising Larry Wheels to pull in tournaments to get some real exposure of arm wrestling. And Larry has always said that he is planning on doing that. Well, you might be thinking, how is Larry going to pull in the TL when he's currently living in Dubai? If you have watched all of his videos, Larry has mentioned many times that during the summers he will get back in the United States because it is too hot for him in Dubai. And now I have a couple of questions for you guys. Please answer them in the comment section. How much money are you willing to pay to watch Devon vs Todd live? And how much money will you pay if there is a full card of at least 4 super matches? Ending it here. If you enjoy these short news updates that I provide, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.